What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are down in our shop in Airmont and my truck is still sitting here. We have the rotors, they're gonna go on tomorrow. The original ones we got are in the white boxes right there and they didn't fit, so we ran to International and got the correct ones. The auto parts store that I called to get those from said that that's what their system is showing, so that's what they sent us, and it didn't work, so we had to get them directly from International. But this truck here, Kevin and Rodrigo are working on it. They're pulling the old Fisher plow frame off right now. This is the truck that I purchased this Everest plow frame from last week. It's actually sitting right here under this pallet. But we are missing a couple pieces to it. Pretty much everything for the rear wing post is missing. This is the front tower for the front of the wing, which we do have, but the other piece is for the front, and then this is just hardware and stuff to finish up the front lift cylinder and whatnot. But we're missing the rear post, which pretty much slides in right here across the frame, and it would sit right here. So we're missing that. They're working on getting it for us. They said they were having issues with Everest or getting parts on time and stuff like that. So if that must have been involved in that whole scenario. But this plow frame is the exact same plow frame that we have on these two trucks here. So once they get that off, they're gonna pull one of these in, take a plow off of it, and pretty much replicate exactly what you see here. They're both identical. The one on my truck, I spoke about that before, is the same plow frame. It's just a little bit different of a style for the Internationals versus the Chevys here. So they have to pull one of these in and just replicate it once they have this Fisher plow frame off. But I am about to hop in my truck right now and we got to run to Philadelphia to pick up a propane heater for our guys on the construction site.
Let's go.
Alright guys, I just got back to my shop and this is the big heater I picked up. It is a Frost Fighter, so we're all loaded up. This is heading upstate with me. I'm bringing this to our Dutchess yard so we can test it and make sure it all works properly, and then from there it'll go to the job site. But moving on in here, we are pretty much ready to mount this. The only issue is these little tubes that the pin goes through only come tack welded, so you can make minor adjustments. You can tell this side we took the two off and cleaned them up a little bit because we tried lining that up with where they were tacked and these were too tight together. So instead of taking all four off, we're only doing these two. We're gonna slide them out. We're about to test fit it all and then tack these on, and then we'll pull the frame off and weld it all around. We'll obviously have to weld these around too. You can see this side is only tacked as well. So we got to weld the whole thing all the way around to make it strong enough to work. But that's where we're at right now. So we're about to pull the welder out, get this all lined up, and then tack these right where they need to be.
All right, let's do the pins and I'm sure it will.
You ready?
Let's go. Yeah.
Hey Rodrigo, come on.
Fuck, I hate your camera, by the way. Did it fine, bro.
You hate what?
I hate your camera.
Of course I
Alright, up. This one up. That one doesn't even line up. Alright.
We got a hammer?
Can you let go when you're trying to do this or not?
We're not all the way through here. Ready to go up?
Yeah.
Like it.
Oh, that's cooler. Oh, so there's that.